Hi traders, Professor Joe here and welcome to this video. In this video, we are going to discuss why traders are facing a lot of psychological problems and how you can overcome these psychological problems. Now, before I move ahead with this video, I would just like to remind you, if you have still not subscribed to my channel, kindly subscribe to my channel because I keep creating educational videos on trading, stocks, crypto, options, and topics related to finance. So make sure that you subscribe to my channel so that you are updated every time I create a new video. Now let's get back to the topic of the day. Why traders are always psychologically disturbed? Traders are always psychologically disturbed, always tensed. Why? There are many reasons for it. I will discuss the most important reasons why traders always have this psychological distress. Number one is emotional roller coaster. Yeah. In trading, sometimes you are winning, sometimes you are losing. Now, when you're winning, you are happy. When you're losing, you are not happy. You are sad. You get angry. That is the first reason for having this psychological distress. Now, if you focus on the process, that this is how I am going to trade. I'm not going to talk about any trading strategy in this video. But if you focus that I am going to trade in this way, then this psychological stress will not come because you're going to focus on the process. Winning and losing becomes an outcome which you know that is not in your hands. And you have to get into the habit and believing that the outcome is not in my hand. All you can do as a trader is follow the process and hope that the market does something. Yes, that is all you have to focus on. As soon as your setup is ready, you put a trade and that's it. You can watch it if you're okay with it. You don't have to watch it if you're not okay with it. But as a process, you have to learn to have that patience to understand that your focus is the process and not the outcome. Once you believe this and once you understand this, then you will come out of this emotional roller coaster. Yeah, you will come out of this because now you're focusing on the process, which is in your hands. The outcome is not in your hands. So, something which is not in your hands should not worry you. Sometimes it will be positive, sometimes it will be negative. That's the part of the game. So, you have to believe within yourself that the outcome is not in your hands. You have to follow the process. This way, the emotional roller coaster part of trading will be removed. The next emotional distress every trader has is FOMO and depriving of sleep. Now, both are connected with each other. FOMO is fear of missing out. Now, you don't want to miss out on any trade, so you are full time watching your screen that your setup will come and you have to enter the trade. Now, as a trader, there are some rules that you have to follow. Number one, trade in one set time. How do you set up a time? Say, example, you are staying in Europe. Then trade in stocks which are moving during Europe time. Trade in currencies which are moving in Europe time. So if you trade in the stocks and currencies or options or commodities which will move maximum in your daytime, then you need not focus on the night time. You only need to focus during the daytime. And if you have a process, say example swing trading, and you know that all I have to do is watch the screens probably once a day or twice a day or maybe thrice a day, then in that case you don't have to fear this problem of missing out on trades. And once you do not have this fear, you know that every day in the night when it's time for you to go to sleep, you can go and sleep, knowing that you are not going to miss out on any of the trades. So it's very, very important that as a trader, you have some rules. Because if you put these rules in place, then automatically there is nothing called as FOMO. You're not going to miss out on opportunities. And another important thing as a trader you must know is opportunities keep on coming. If you miss on one opportunity, you will get another opportunity. So you don't need to worry that, oh, I missed one opportunity. This missing out on opportunities will come for people who are trading on a very, very small time frame, like 1 minute, 3 minute, 5 minute. If you're doing swing trading like 4 hours, daily charts, then you do not have to worry about FOMO also, because you will not miss out on any opportunity. So if you understand this, this psychological distress will also move away from you while you are trading. The next psychological distress is isolation and burnout. Now, trading is a trade where you are spending time in front of the screen all by yourself. Now, there are some firms where a lot of traders trade together and a lot of traders share their views with each other. There are positive points to this and negative points to this also. But most of the retail traders, they trade by themselves. They're always isolated. They're only looking at the screen all by themselves. And looking at the screen, they're tired, they're totally burnt out because the same screen over and over again, over and over again. So in this case, I want to tell traders that you need to socialize. Number one is with your family members. So talk to your partner, talk to your parents. If you have children, talk to your children every day. Make sure that you spend an X amount of time with your family members. And after that, find a place to chill out. Go out with your friends. I don't mean that you go out and party every night, but spending time talking to them, asking them how their day was, explaining your day how it was. It makes a lot of difference. This will help you to come out of this psychological distress of isolation and burnout. This is also very, very helpful. So go out, socialize, talk to people. First your family, then your friends. They will understand you. And you should also try and understand them. This will really, really help you as traders. The next point is having no open discussion. As a trader, you are always trading alone. You are always watching the charts alone. You are preparing your plans alone. You're doing everything all by yourself. You're alone all the time. And because you're alone all the time, you're not able to express yourself to people around you. So it's very, very important that you discuss with people. See, because number one is especially for retail traders, is when you go out and tell people that you are a trader, people are like, oh, you're a trader, huh? Hmm. Because until and unless you are successful, people will not call it, oh, this person is a trader. Till that time, it's like, okay, you're trading. They will look down at you. So the most important thing is when you're starting to trade, or even if you do not have a big account, trading should be your second source of income. You should always have a primary source of income till you don't have a big account from which you can earn enough. Now remember, from a small account, you cannot earn a lot of money. It is not practical because if you try to do that, there will be a time where you will risk a lot of your equity and probably you might blow out your account. So with a small account, don't try to make a fortune. You should have a goal that I would make X percentage profit every month, or X percentage profit every 6 months, or X percentage profit every year. This is not a daily profit making machine where every day you will make 0.5% or 1%. Some days you might not make, sometimes you will make. So it's very, very important that you understand that trading will not give you income every day to take care of your monthly bills. So you need to have a fixed source of income, and trading should be your second source of income. And gradually, once your account becomes very, very big, then you can start trading full time. At the same time, you should have open discussions in your family that, yes, I've started trading, I am trading, today was a great day. Today, yes, I didn't enter into any trade. Discuss with your family members. Don't make it the most prominent point of the day, because then otherwise every day your family members or your friends will say, what happened today? Did you win? What happened today? Did you win? Because in trading, you can't win every day. So the day you lose, they will say, see, I told you, trading, you can never win. So it's like you have to discuss, yeah, my strategy setup is coming, things are going fine. Interesting things that happen in this stock, this currency, this option, this commodity. You can discuss those kind of things. Talk about the financial world so people know that you have the knowledge. You're not only trading, but you have the knowledge. By discussing with people, it reduces your stress. And this way, you will always be in control of the situation and you will be able to take care of the psychological stress also. So, traders, I hope that it's very, very clear that as a trader, you will have a lot of psychological stress. These are the most prominent ones which I have discussed. And I also told you what you can do to come out of these stress. These are some basic things that you should follow. The triangle of life. What is the triangle of life? Triangle of life is wealth, happiness, and health. In trading, you can get all three, but you have to follow these rules which we have discussed. If you follow these rules, you will surely have a lot of wealth, you can take good care of your health, and you will be happy. And remember, the most important thing in trading is having your equity in place. So never risk very high percentage of your equity in trading. You start with 0.5% and maximum go up to 2%. If you really, really are good at trading, I mean, you've been trading for 10 years and your strategy has been consistently giving you profits. Out of every 10 trades, you're winning 5 to 6 trades. Then you can probably increase your risk. But otherwise, I would suggest never cross 2% of your equity. Remember, to become a professional trader, it requires a lot of patience, practice, and persistence. All three is very important. Without that, you cannot become a successful trader. Friends, I've written a book, Traders You Can Win, but First Learn to Lose. If you're interested in this book, it's available in Amazon in Kindle. This book speaks more about technical analysis and trading strategies. It will surely help you in your trading, but there are many more aspects to trading other than technical analysis too, because psychology is also another important aspect which we have discussed in today's video. Friends, if you love the way I'm creating videos, please like and share these videos. So, like you, there might be many others who would like to learn trading the right way. These videos will surely help them to improve their trading. And friends, if you're still not subscribed to my channel, kindly subscribe to the channel and ring the bell icon so that every time I create a new video, you will be the first person to be notified. Friends, all I can say is keep learning, keep growing, keep getting better each day. Thank you. Namaskar.